They're spending $50, $100, or maybe even $200 per day on ads. They're getting clicks, they're going to your landing page, and maybe they're even watching your VSL. But the problem is, they're not booking calls. But what if I told you the problem may not even be that your ads are bad? So instead of burning your money pretty much just like this, throwing it at ads that, pretty much don't work right now, you want to follow this 7-11-4 framework. So one, you want to have 7 touch points with them. This is the optimal number of interactions to actually build trust. 2, you want to do this in an 11-day time frame. This is the ideal time frame for these actual touch points. And 3, you want to use 4 methods of doing so. So you want to have a diversity in channels for engagement. And we're going to talk a bit about this. So first you want to go beyond the ad. So your current method is probably something like ads straight to like a 10-12 minute VSL. And that's okay. I mean, you could tell them a bit about yourself. You can build some credibility, but it's not as good as this alternative, which is running ads to a lead magnet and then putting that lead magnet email into your newsletter, then sending them to your YouTube content. And then from there, they can decide if they want to book a call. But keep in mind, they're going to see all the social proof when you're promoting the lead magnet in the newsletter, in your YouTube content, and on your website. So these are the 4 methods that you want to follow. And this pretty much results in them being easier to pre-sell, and the compound effect of multiple touch points in a short time span is pretty much going to reinforce the message and build stronger trust over time with your actual ICP. And this is the research reality. Everyone's going to Google you before actually buying. And this is like guaranteed. I mean, I guarantee you haven't bought from someone without searching up, what they do, who they are, searching to see their other socials, what they post, or if they're actually who they say they are. And if they find nothing, you're pretty much dead in the water. You're like a dead fish. No one likes you, no one trusts you, and you're pretty much gonna lay there all alone by yourself. Now, before the Jeremy Haynes fans actually yell at me in the comments, running ads straight to a VSL page is not bad at all, but adding organic content into your actual daily routine or your weekly schedule is not a bad thing whatsoever, and in fact, it's gonna help you out. So besides YouTube, when people actually search you up, you want to leverage these tools to ensure you actually look legitimate and trustworthy. So for example, I'm gonna actually search up myself. So I'm gonna search up Marquise Peters. I'm gonna look up myself. So you can pretty much see my Instagram, you can see my YouTube, my LinkedIn, all my socials, even my newsletter, and you can see some images from me. And you can scroll down, you can see some of my videos. Cool, so people already see I'm a real person, I have a personal brand, and I've been doing this for quite a while now. Now, if they search up my company, let's just search up Flow Social HQ. You can pretty much see my website, my Google My Business would be right here usually. I'm not sure why it's not showing up right now. You see my Clutch.co profile, all my socials, and you even see the Manifest.com, which is another tool that you can use to rank higher. So let me go back to this list over here. What you want to do is use these tools to make sure you rank really high when people actually search up you or your company. Trustpilot is number 1, social media is number 2, Clutch.co and UpCity is number 3. Those are 2 different things. And then number 4, Google My Business. Now for my business, I already have Trustpilot, social media, Clutch.co, and Google My Business. I don't have UpCity because I'm in a different country from the US, and so it's hard for me to actually apply for it. Even with the VPN, they're somehow finding out that I'm not in the USA. Anyhow, key takeaways. So you want to use the 7-11-4 framework. Remember, 7 touch points within an 11-day time span and using 4 methods. So the 4 methods, for example, would be 1 with ads, 2 with newsletter, 3 with YouTube, and 4 with the website. 2, make sure you prioritize online legitimacy so people know you're a real person, or at least your company is real. Like when they search it up, they should be able to find all their socials or even your socials. They should see that you're posting often or at least once every single week, etc. And this leads to point number 3. This is going to help you nurture your leads that come in over time. They're going to know you're a real person and that you're not a scammy weirdo on the internet. So look, you can keep burning your money on ads hoping something works, but if you're ready to dominate your niche on YouTube, attract high intent buyers, convert them at a higher rate, and scale revenue, click the first link below to book a free strategy call with me. Or if you're not ready, click the second link below to get my free YouTube trainings so you can start building the trust system that your ads actually need to work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.